Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. NCB Financial Group Limited has advised the stock exchange that a connected party sold 9,092,308 NCB Financial Group shares on October 29, 2024. Canadian Jamaican investor Michael Lee Chin plans to meet with Specialty Coffee Investment Limited bondholders over the delayed repayment of the bond. Lee Chin, the major shareholder of Specialty Coffee, said the meeting will provide updates and answer questions from investors directly. Bondholders who in June 2024 rejected Lee Chin's proposed 12-month extension of the bond's maturity date to October 2025. Specialty Coffee initially issued bonds in 2021 to refinance $1.9 billion in debt. Lee Chin's coffee assets include Wallingford Coffee Estate and Mavis Bank Coffee Factory. The latter business was acquired by Specialty Coffee from Jamaica Producers Group and Pan Jamaican Investment Trust in 2016. JP Farms is reporting that its banana farm recovery program, following the devastating impact of Hurricane Beryl, is progressing faster than anticipated. The Category 4 hurricane caused extensive damage to Jamaica's largest banana farm, resulting in a projected revenue loss of approximately $600 million. Since the passage of Hurricane Beryl, JP Farms has also implemented measures to increase the resilience of its farm. These include reinforcing drainage, planting more windbreaks, and replanting shorter varieties of bananas that can better withstand high winds. The farm now reports that it is in the final phases of its recovery program to return to normal operations. This advanced resuscitation effort means that JP Bananas will return to supermarket shelves in late January 2025, about 5 weeks earlier than the original projection. During trading for the period of November 13, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Microfinance firm Dollar Financial Services Limited, with 8,138,291 units, represents 24.66% of the market volume in terms of sales. Medical supply firm Indies Pharma Jamaica Limited, ordinary shares with 5,035,753 units, represents 15.26% of the market volume in terms of sales. Alternative investment firm Cygnus Credit Investments Limited US dollar, ordinary shares with 3,503,734 units, represents 10.62% of the market volume in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On November 13, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $57.18 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $70.91 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $159.54 and bought US dollars for $157.90. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.64, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $3.03 from transactions at the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.35 and bought for $112.32. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $1.75, selling it for $202.12 and buying it for $237. And now for our Young Boss feature.
Hi, my name is Kimoy Horton.
And my name is Dr. Rayleigh Dunkley.
And we are the founders of Practical Creations Limited.
We founded the company on the idea that we'd create products that we never knew we even needed. We are trying to create creative products. We're trying to find creative ways to deal with practical issues that the everyday man deals with. So we want to find novel ways, innovative ways to bring products and offerings to customers that they can utilize in their daily life. So that's where the practical aspect comes together. So when we're workshopping, we're thinking, how can we capture the fact that we want to work for everybody, but also show them that we're not just some mundane company. So Practical Creations was formed.
In addition to that, we ensure we try to take into consideration the environment. So many of our products are natural products, and that is how we incorporate that aspect in all the products that we make. It all started from poof. Well, it wasn't called poof at the time, but it was poof. So in high school, I thought about the product, the anti-backsplash product, and I told my mother about it, and she said, make sure when you get older, you make this into a product. And I said, okay, mommy, I'll do it. And every year she'd follow up with me until I reached UA, and I met this Marion, really. And I approached him and I said, hey, guess what? I have this product in mind. He was a chemistry major. And I had this product in mind. Do you think you can do this? And he said, yeah, man, I can do that. Actually, that's literally how he did it. And so he said, we started working and the research and development phase and went through a whole process. And one day we're sitting down and we're just having a conversation about the product. And I said, we think we should make this official. And he said, yes, we can move from this product into other products and incorporate this in everybody's daily life. And we started brainstorming, what are things people have issues with, but they just don't see the need to find a solution for it. And that is where it all started. And we said, okay, guess what, company's office, we start doing up the documents, and in 2021, we became a registered company.
It makes the bathroom going experience a more discreet occasion. So it's a moldable, solid product that you can just drop in the toilet bowl right before use. So you just put it down, never fear, poof is here.
Everybody loves it. There's I have a couple co-workers that need this product right now. One person said, my spouse. Ooh, I could have this product right now. So the reception has been very good so far. We have gotten a few reorders, so we're currently making products to send to other clients too, and the word is spreading. So we are looking to expand more, yeah.
Especially people in office spaces, they really gravitate to it, because imagine a shared space. Somebody's doing a natural part of life, but you can't control the scent. So in a shared space, it's probably not ideal. However, a product like this, they really see the need for it, to you do your business, nobody has to know. You preserve your dignity and your secrecy, and you enjoy yourself while using it. So people love it. Yeah. Men, women,
children,
they just love it.
Yes, there were fears. Were there doubts? I have to admit, he really had to talk me out of enough of my doubts. Enough of my doubts, man. He had the motivational speaker. So if you're going to be in a partnership, it's good to have someone that is going to be there like pushing you, and when you fall down they pick you up, and then when they fall down you can pick them up, vice versa. But there were many fears, many doubts, but we knew that this is something we wanted, so we pushed it aside and said, guess what, we're going to hit this ground running. They always say starting a business is not for the faint of heart, and I am very faint of heart. So there has been many occasions I'm just like, whoo, child. And so what really has brought me through is my faith in God. So what I'd say to anyone who would want to jump in the pool of entrepreneurship, I'd say find something that is bigger than yourself and believe in it, because you're going to need that when you're pushing through the hard times and when you're pushing through the doubts, when you're pushing through your fears. We do. For Poof, we intend to come up with new scents, new colors, as well as we are planning to make our product more accessible through putting it in retail stores, as well as approaching hoteliers and other businesses within the tourism industry.
This is a product, as you know, would have been created by Jamaicans in Jamaica for everybody. So we want to ensure that we're everywhere, that at least Jamaicans can experience it firsthand. You can reach out to us on our IG page, practical.creations.limited.
praccreations@gmail.com. So that is praccreations@gmail.com.
For our credit report tip of the day, rebuilding your credit and growing income streams gives you more resilience. And you don't really want to rely on just your employment alone, because that may feel uncertain. So let's consider these strategies to help rebuild and strengthen both income and credit. Our first tip is to pay down high interest debt with low cost financing. As your credit improves, refinance higher interest debt with lower interest personal loans or balance transfers. 2. Leverage your employment stability to access better credit. Many lenders consider your employment, so use it to negotiate better credit terms or refinance options. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.